In this video, I will show you how to fix Directx error on EAFC25. So if you have it installed onto your system, what you can do is you can head over to your local disk, and then from in there, you just need to head over and then choose in here your users. So from in there, head over and then click on your username right here, and then from in there, head over to the app data that has been actually added right there. So you just head over and then locate it. If you can find it, you can also head over and then locate the app data option by clicking onto this search option. So you can head over and then click onto that and then search in here for app data, and then this should be able to search for it right there. So just wait for this to give us the search results. So on some cases, app data is hidden. So head over and then head over to the view option and then make sure to show the hidden items. So head over to your app data, and then once you have done that, you just need to locate the settings folder for the local option. So head over to local and then find in here the EA Sports. For example, here's EA Sports. What you can do right there is to just head over and then delete the settings folder and then just relaunch it, and it should be able to actually give out a new settings option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.